Somebody come help me. Yes, the whole dang, they're looking at me. Okay, wait. If y'all don't believe me, let's check the time. Okay, now it's 8:16. Dang, I'm ashy. It's 8:16 now. Like I said, I'm going to see my mom, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be out there, so I just grabbed a whole bunch of clothes. But yes. Yeah, this is what I look like, y'all. Dang! I got stranded in the freaking cold. Y'all, it's literally 7:13 right now. 7:13 in the morning. And I am stranded at the Greyhound bus station. If you live in Houston, Texas, come pull up, please. Thank you. Nope, I'm not gonna do it because there's people staring at me because they probably think I'm talking to myself. But I'm really not though. I'm really talking to y'all because I'm a YouTuber. I knew this leather coat was gonna come in handy one day. It's kind of actually keeping me kind of warm. Shout out to you. Yes, this is what stupid looks like. Greyhound decided they want to cancel my trip yesterday. So I'm thinking they're gonna reschedule me for the next day. So I'm thinking I'm good. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just go up there in the morning and wait on my freaking ride. Google said that they was open, and I get here and they not open. I am so cold. Like, I just want to go see my mama, and they playing. Like, y'all, I am sitting out here looking like a homeless person. Bro, it is 4:25. No, 4:27. It's 4:27 right now, y'all. And I've been out here trying to catch this bus since, when was the last time? Like 8:16. Like, bro, I've been out here since 8 in the morning, and I'm literally freezing. I'm still out here. And I'm still looking across there, and I don't see no buses. Well, no Greyhound buses. They're supposed to be over there, but I don't see anything. I am so cold. So cold. I am freezing still. Let me tell y'all what's going on, y'all. So I've been out here since been out here. And I've been calling the bus station, and I said, hey, is y'all still sending a bus or what? They saying, yeah, it's gonna be there at 4:45. So at this point, it's 4:30, and I'm like, hey, yeah, I called them, and I'm like, yo, bus isn't out here. So then I had my mom call them. My mom called them, and she said that they said that it was canceled, and she was like, yo, what the fuck? Y'all didn't inform him that it was canceled. So what the fuck is we gonna do about this shit? And I said, hey, they said, hey, call this number. We work with them. So I said, hey, okay. I call them. Nobody fucking answers. And right now, people probably think I'm talking to myself, and they probably think I'm crazy, but I am fucking crazy. That was an original piece.
Down, 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 down. y'all, so as y'all know, I had to get a hotel room because I got stranded in Texas. Because I was trying to visit my mom. And tell me why the power went out. Like, y'all know how I kept saying like that, how could my experience get any worse? Well, here's something else for the freaking books. I'm walking down this hallway by myself because I'm literally scared as freak right now. And I don't think the elevators work. So, but I'm literally trying to make the best of everything. Cause I'll be able to see my mom in a minute. But yeah. I guess I'll just be taking the stairs.
The power is not there. The power is gone everywhere. Some areas it's from yesterday night.
Right.
Yeah.
And where tonight?
Huh?
Where tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, they literally cold. They got towels blocking the thing. All right, YouTube. That's the end of this freaking hell of a. Wait, so I can't even get no fucking drink. Yeah, y'all. I don't know what to say about this one. Guys, what time is it? No! Y'all, my phone just died. I need to stop saying how could my day get any worse. Like, what? All right, YouTube. So I found another hotel. I'm at the University of Houston or University of Texas, somewhere. And I got a room with power. I'm stranded in Texas. I was supposed to see my mom. Wait, y'all can't see me. I was supposed to see my mom on the 13th. I was supposed to be with her. But like I said, this ice storm. Y'all, it's not even, it don't even look like nothing's out there. But yeah, so I was supposed to see my mom. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to see her now. They've shut Texas completely down. Like down. But yeah, y'all, so I'm warm now. Finally. Charged my phone. I was at the other hotel. I couldn't charge my phone. I couldn't do nothing. I was cold. So yes, shout out to my cuz Darnell, Larry. Y'all already know what the freak going on. I said, bitch, Corvette. It feels good to be warm. Oh yeah, y'all. And I got some food from somebody, but it was kind of burnt, so I didn't really eat it. But I got Popeyes on the way. But yeah, y'all, my foot feel better too. Yes, I know. Y'all remember when I told y'all my foot was hurting? I've been talking to my mom on the phone every day. Oh yeah, and also y'all, so I woke up this morning and YouTube gave me a second guideline strike. And if you get 3 guideline strikes, they take down your channel. They put in strikes on old videos. So, you know, it's like, I don't know. And they not even giving me a warning or nothing. I just wake up, check my YouTube, and it's a fucking message on there talking about some guideline strike. So, yeah, y'all. I'm about to try to, I don't know. I'm about to make a backup YouTube just in case some, I don't know, y'all. I'm not even gonna speak that up, y'all. We got this. We gonna do this. We had 30K. We had 31K. I just hit 31K. Corvette.
Just hit it to the beat, 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 hit it to the beat.
I said, bitch.
Y'all, I am having the worst luck in Houston. As you can see, like everybody over there, I'm the only one over here because, well, I'm that nigga. But I was watching the show, and all of a sudden, the freaking alarms just went off. Just hurry up and pack the bag. Quick tip: don't ever, like, if it's a fire emergency, don't ever pack your stuff first. Always, only if you're a pro. But if you gotta get out ASAP. I don't even know where the freak to go. So. All right, y'all. So I'm just trying to update y'all on everything. After that little drill, now I have to hop on my summer walker stuff and take like a whole bath or whatever it's called, wash up. I have to use them waters, and then I'm gonna warm the water up in the microwave and pour it in this bucket, and then I'm gonna pour it into the sink. And cause I don't know, like, as y'all can see, like, the water is not working still. So again, and that's the only thing that I could find. That cup is the only thing I could find to fit in the microwave. So yeah, I already did one batch. I hope y'all don't judge me for doing this, but y'all, I gotta clean my body, so. More cups, so instead of just doing one, dang, I'm always fucking up some shit. I'm gonna just do 2 cups. All right, YouTube, so I finally am about to leave today and go see my mama, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all don't even know half the stuff I went through to even get to this point. I'm excited because I finally get to see my mama today. This my cousin that came through and looked out for me, so y'all drop down in the comments and say, fam is a real one. But when I get rich, cuz, I'm gonna give you 10,000.
Let's see, hurry up, get rich then.
Yeah, we love them house calls. I'm finna pass it to you, cuz, alright? 5.
Okay.
Come on. We here. Yes.
If you wish to play an electronic device, please use a headphone and keep the volume to yourself. If you don't have a headphone, you're gonna play any of this device.
Dang, he talking so slow. We're gonna be in Dallas by the time he done talking.
If you have small children with you, kindly have them seated at all times. If you wish to use the don't push any button on the restroom, especially the black one. It will wet you. It will wet you.
Yes.
And it will flow all the way to the floor.
Give me a little bit of power. Give me a power.
What? Should I get this one? Or this one?
Y'all, this motherfucking bus about to leave my ass because I was in the store getting snacks. Honestly, I'm at the Greyhound bus station waiting on my mom. Finally, this is the moment that I've been waiting for. Because I haven't seen my mom like really since I moved to Atlanta. Like I told y'all that already. But so yeah, I'm
Can you hear it calling? Yeah.
finally. Come on, what the freak? Let's go.
I did.
Dang, I know this type of hospitality ain't gonna happen. She carrying my bags and stuff. What the freak?
Drive.
Mm.
Head
Okay,
north
okay.
on South Lamar Street. Then turn left onto Elm Street.
Oh. Do y'all not know how? If y'all watch this whole vlog, then y'all know the journey that I had to take to get here. Hit him with one of these, man. Do it for the Vibe Squad right quick.
Hey everybody!
At least hit him with one of these.
My baby home. Well, he ain't home, but he with me. How the hell could?
One.
Well, which one I was
I
supposed to?
told you to use maps.
I mean, that's what I was.
Now
trying to do.
put the address in.
Okay. Okay, where's Lamar Street?
That's Jackson.
South Lamar Street. What street is this? This Lamar Street. And turn.
You better not.
And then he gonna pull back over. Really?
What's the point of that?
Stupid ass.
I know that's right. If y'all know any barbers out there, comment below.
I forgot. Please forgive me. I'm just getting off work. I'm in the car. I'm too long for this shit. Head different. Head different. Head different. Head different.
Do you know which version this is?
They always said I'm comfortable.